Hello and welcome back to the Watch Correspondent. Today we're going to be doing a quick video. This is just an unboxing and first impression of a Baltany watch. Here's a sneak peek. And hey, what do I have on wrist today? Another Baltany. This here is the S6046. I recently did a review on it, and to spoil that review, I think it's a great little watch at a great little price. So if you haven't seen that yet, check it out. But back to the main event. What we have here today is the Baltany S6073AB, which is quite the mouthful, but nonetheless. Let's get into the watch second. Let's do the freebies first. Inside the box, we have two tools here, one for the bracelet and one for the spring bars. Always nice to have those. We have this Baltany cardstock containing the warranty information. Once again, a good touch. A lot of affordable brands will give you a warranty card that is not even filled out. A microfiber cloth. I find that these have been high quality from Baltany in the past, so that's exciting. And an instruction manual. But that's not why we're here, right? We're here for this unboxing. We're unboxing today, like I said before, the S6073AB, and what comes with it is this nice little leather carrying case. As you can see, there's a little brass clasp there that holds it all together. Baltany embossed in the front. Very cleanly, looks great. Now, this is sort of a strange size for a watch carrying case. Does the job for shipping, for sure, but I think it's going to be a great addition to my summer arsenal as a sunglass holder. Now, I did just open this up to take the plastic off, so I have seen the watch already, but here it is. So here it is. As you can see, the Baltany S6073AB is a clear homage to the Tudor BB Pro. Here I have the white dial on a bracelet, although Baltany does sell it on either white or black dials and on either bracelet or leather. Signed clasp here, milled upper and milled lower on the clasp, which is a nice touch. So what do you think? Do you like this NH34 powered Tudor homage, or do you think it's too late to release a homage to a watch that everyone has already homaged? I'll be doing a full breakdown of this watch and a full review soon, but in the meantime, leave me a comment. What do you think? Do you like the way it looks? Do you like this colorway? For $220 US, do you think it's a good buy? Until then, see you next time, and be sure to check out the full-length review when it comes out in just about a week.